Hello. Today I'll show you how to fix the Alt key not working issue on Windows 11 and 10. Step 1. Start by checking the keyboard and restarting your computer. First, try restarting your computer, as a simple reboot can often resolve minor keyboard issues. If that doesn't help, unplug and reconnect your keyboard or try a different one to see if the issue is hardware related. Alternatively, you can connect your keyboard to another computer to check whether the Alt key works properly. Now, step 2, turn off sticky keys if they're enabled. To do this, open the search menu and type Accessibility Keyboard Settings. Once it shows up, click on it. Next, select Keyboard Settings under Accessibility. Then, in the Sticky Keys section, toggle the switch to Off. After that, you can check if the Alt key is now working. Just go ahead and test if it works. Now step 3, update or reinstall the keyboard driver. Start by opening the search menu from the taskbar, type in Device Manager, then select it from the list. Once it opens, just simply find the keyboard section from the list right here and just click to open it. Right-click your keyboard device, which you can find right here, and choose Update Driver. In the dialog box that appears, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, choose the default keyboard driver. Click Next to install it. Once the installation finishes, restart your computer to apply the changes. So here you will need to wait for the restart to finish. Just be patient while it loads. And that's it. We hope the detailed steps in this video helped you fix the Alt key not working issue on Windows. If the problem continues, try using a different keyboard to narrow down the exact cause. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. We wish you a smooth experience and good luck with your troubleshooting.